Why do 90% of cultures have their own unique desserts? Let's unwrap the secrets behind these sweet treats. Hey there, dessert lovers. Did you know that desserts aren't just tasty treats, but also rich in history and culture? Today, we're exploring sweet traditions from around the globe. First stop, France. Ever tried a macaron? These colourful goodies have a story as vibrant as their hues. Born in Italian monasteries, perfected in France, macarons symbolize elegance and celebration. Next, let's head to China. Mooncakes are more than just pastries, they're a symbol of unity during the Mid-Autumn Festival. Each bite connects families, celebrating the moon and harvest. From Asia to Europe, let's talk about Italian tiramisu. This coffee-flavoured dessert means pick-me-up, and it sure does lift spirits. Layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cheese make every bite heavenly. But wait, there's more. In Mexico, churros bring joy with their crispy, sugary goodness. Dipped in chocolate, they're a festival favourite with a history of Spanish influence. Desserts tell stories of love, celebration and culture. They connect us to our roots and bring joy to every occasion. So next time you enjoy a sweet treat, remember the rich tapestry of history behind it. Thanks for joining our dessert tour. If you loved this sweet journey, like, comment and subscribe for more delicious tales. Until next time, keep exploring and savouring the sweetness of life. #sweet traditions, #desserts, #cultural heritage, #food history, #sweet tooth, #global cuisine, #food culture, #sweet stories, #dessert recipes, #foodies unite, #explore the world.